Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. We did. What I want to do today is take the printable vinyl and make some decals for my Cricut so that it just livens it up and it looks so pretty every time I look at it. And I'm going to put in the description box below a link where you can download gorgeous files that you can put on shirts or anything, and it's designbundles.net. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I don't make any commission, but I found it and I thought you would enjoy it. Every so often you can download free designs, and that's what I did today. And if you have to pay, they're not that much. So first, what I want to do is I'm going to show you the site where you can download it. Okay, so I'm just going to go to Google and I'm going to put in designbundles.net, and I've already logged in, so I'm just going to log in, and this is what I have bought today. Now this I had to pay, this I had to pay for, but there were some other things that are totally free. But let's just look. If you want watercolor images, look at these beautiful ones. See, this is free. That is free with the llamas. That is free, the flowers. Like I said, they come and go when they're free. And this crafter set, I downloaded that as well, and this. So it's a really good way for you to find what you're interested in. Okay, so let's go back to Design Space. Okay, so I already have it here on my computer, and I'm just going to go to the circle with the plus, and that'll put us on our canvas. And what I want to do is I want to upload those images. So I'm going to go to upload here on the left hand screen, click that, and then I'm going to hit upload images, and I'm going to browse. Okay, and this is what I want. I went to recents, and that right there, it's Magnolia images, and I think that will be so pretty. So I'm going to open that. I'm going to save it as complex because you get more. If you just saved it as simple, you don't get as much. See, complex is what you really want. Then I'm going to hit continue. It's already a PNG image, so I don't need to do anything. Continue. And I want to save it as a print then cut. And then in my tags right here on the right, I'm going to write from that it's from designbundles.net, and then I'm going to hit save. It's so simple. Now that's in there. Now I'm going to upload another image. I'm going to browse. I'm going to hit recents. Okay, so I went to downloads, and I'm going to hit the number 2. That's what I want. I'm going to hit open, complex, continue, continue. Save it as a print and cut. And you know that it's a print then cut when you click on this green box goes around it. And then I'm going to put right here, and you can also name it too. Okay, and then hit save. Okay, then I'm going to upload another image, browse, and then I want to go to number 3. I'm going to open it, complex, continue, save that as a print then cut. Okay, save right bottom corner. Okay, we have 3 of them. I'm going to upload the image, browse, and I'm going to get my 4th one, open. Okay, complex, continue, right bottom corner, continue, save it as a print then cut. And then save. Okay, now what I'm going to do is click on each one that I want to insert to my canvas, and it'll put that green line around it, and you'll see it right down here at the bottom. And I'm going to hit right bottom corner, insert images. Okay, now I need to make these much, much smaller. So let's scrunch it down. These are going to be gorgeous. Okay, my computer has lost its mind. Okay, then we're going to scrunch that one. Make it much smaller. And make this one smaller. And then make this one smaller. Okay. All right, you could almost, if you wanted, put this together like that to make a wreath if you wanted, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, so let's put, for right now, I want to hide all of them but this one. And it's telling me they're too big to print. That's what these little, like, caution things look like, these little triangles. That's what that is. So I'm going to turn the eyes off of the other so I can pay attention to this one and see just how big this is. Okay, so I'm going to make this smaller. Okay, you see how that left? Because you can keep making it bigger, and if you pull on this little arrows in the corner, it'll adjust it proportionally, and that's what I want. And I want to get it, let's see, so it can't go 9, so we're going to do 8.907 by 5.77. Now I'm going to click this little eye and turn this one on, and this one I think I'm going to make it, let me move this one so I can see. This one is 5.22 by 6.077. Leave that one, and then we'll check this one. And this one's way too big. I think I'll leave this one. I don't want it 6 high. I think we'll leave this one at 3.075 by a little over 5 inches tall. And then this one right here, this one's too big, and we're going to make it this same size for this. Okay, so what we're going to do now is go to make it right top corner. It's going to be sorting it onto our mat. Now you can see this one is really big. It takes up the whole mat, and I hope that's a good size. I don't know. You don't want to mirror this, so we're just going to go to continue, and you can see they're all print then cut right down through here. Bleed on in case, that way it'll make a smoother edge. We're going to hit print, And the next time you see me, we'll be cutting out these really cute stickers for our Cricut. Okay, I went back to each one of these and made them smaller because when I printed it out, and I'll show you, it's gorgeous, but it was too big. I got too zealous, okay? So let's go back to continue, right bottom corner, and my Cricut is set to vinyl. Send to the printer. Okay, since I made these smaller, it will fit 2 on here. We're going to leave the bleed on and hit print. So the same process is going to be for all of these. So you'll print it, you'll cut it, then you'll go to the next one, you'll print, and then you'll cut. So I'm just going to switch to applying it to my computer. Okay, here's the printable vinyl that I'm using. Again, it's just the Silhouette brand, but it works fine. This is the first image that I printed out. Is that not gorgeous? But it's too big, way too big, but I'll find something to do with that. Here's the second image. Is that not really adorable? Okay, I have my standard grip mat, and we're going to cut this out. Now make sure you put this exactly like it has. Like, I don't want to put it this way because it has it wrapping this way. And when it cuts it, I want it to cut it correctly. Okay. Now I'm going to load it in my Cricut by hitting the blinking arrow. And cut with the blinking C. I think this is going to be so adorable. There's so much you can do with this, but I love designbundles.net. I think you really get a good value. And right now it's reading the registration mark, this black line around, and then it will start cutting our sticker. And we will just have a really big sticker, and then we'll put it on our Cricut, and it'll be adorable. Now it's starting to cut around all my little leaves. And as soon as this gets finished, I'll be back and we'll start on our other ones because it will just flip you to the second one and the third one. I'll be back. Okay, so I just ejected this one. We're going to peel it off, and it has made this adorable sticker, okay? So I'm going to put that over here. We will go to our next one. Okay, now you will see here's our other 2. And we did not print on that shiny side. You want to load your paper. I have to load mine upside down so that it will print on this less shiny side. It's really not that shiny. This side's really super shiny. This side is not that shiny. It's more matte. Now make sure you load it, like I said, in the Cricut like it is on your screen. And for time purposes, the cutting is going to be exactly the same. So when I get all these cut out and printed, I'll be back. Okay, I have them all cut out, all my little stickers. Okay. And I went back in and just hit duplicate on some of these because I realized I didn't make enough. Okay, so I think I'm going to put this one on the top of my Cricut. Okay, I'm just going to get a microfiber cloth and wipe this as smooth as I can get it. And then we're just going to start peeling these stickers off. Just take your time because they're very intricate depending on what you choose. The ones I chose are very, very intricate. And it would be easy to lose some of them. But I'm just doing like this, slowly peeling it. I mean, you could do a lot with this. You could cover books, planner fronts, anything that you wanted to. You could even put these designs on shirts. That would be really cute. So I'll be back once I get this. Okay, and this is what you have. And once you get it going about to right here, it peels off relatively easy, okay? So I'm just going to put this one right here. And now I think it already looks so much more happier. So let me go ahead and peel the rest of these off, and I'll be back. Guys, here's how it turned out, and I love it. You could put this on laptops, cell phone cases. You could do so much with it. And I love designbundles.net, but you could get any design, and I just wrap that around the side of my Cricut. I love how that turned out. And I wrapped it around this side as well. It just looks so bright and cheerful. And then when you open it, I put it on the inside as well, just a little bit. I didn't want to overdo it, so I put one there. Just make sure you put it down good because I just did this. I put one there, and then I put one there. I love how this turned out. It is so easy to do, and you, like I said, the possibilities are endless. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.